Hey, Chris. Yeah, so we've got damp conditions, very warm conditions. So we're seeing clouds, fog in many communities. In some places, it's enough to reduce visibility, and we'll see some rain here over the next couple of hours. It's still mild, though, in spite of the clouds. We're at 58 degrees. That's the official temp in Central Park right now. Winds are out of the south at 8 miles an hour. 47 degrees right now for Montgomery, 49 for Wappingers Falls, so a little bit cooler for some suburbs. Norwalk, Connecticut also at 49 degrees, and then we head to the 50s. Sloatsburg's at 51, same for Peekskill and Patterson. Ossining is at 52 degrees. So we take a look at the temperatures across the tri-state area. Upper 40s to the upper 50s right now. These numbers would be very warm, high temperatures, but we'll go warmer. We're expecting a high of 62 degrees today in New York City, so we'll be closer to the record than we will to the norm, which is 43 degrees. Sunrise this morning, 6:47, so a little more than an hour away, but because of the clouds and the fog, we won't see a tremendous amount of sunshine to start. We'll see a little bit more sunshine later this afternoon. Here's where we are right now. You can see the clouds. Certainly you can see that the rain gets closer and closer every hour. Here's a big picture look at the system itself. So we're looking at an area of low pressure. We're looking at an associated cold front. We will watch a line of showers and possibly thunderstorms push through the area today. And you will need to grab that umbrella before heading out the door. This particular Futurecast model shows the rain starting to fill in around 8 o'clock this morning. So a little more than 2 hours away. We'll start to see that rain light for the most part, but we will see some pockets where we see some moderate downpours. So just keep that in mind. The rain, for the most part, stays with us through early afternoon. As it starts to exit, the temperature starts to fall. By 1:30 in the afternoon, as we're starting to see the backside of this system, we're at 41 degrees in Sparta, 50 degrees for New York City. And then by 5 p.m., when things are nice and dry, we'll be at about 41 degrees in New York City. And the temps just continue to fall. First into the 30s tonight for the city, and then into the 20s as we head into the overnight hours. By tomorrow morning, looks like we'll be at about 26 degrees in New York City, 17 for Monticello, 20 for Sparta, 27 for Riverhead and for Toms River. And then when you take a look at what it's going to feel like when you factor in the wind, we start out in the low 60s. By 5 o'clock, it'll feel like 35 degrees. By midnight, feeling like 20 degrees. But by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, it will feel like 15 degrees. So this is the drop that we're expecting when you factor in the wind. So very pronounced, very drastic. So get ready for first mild, cloudy conditions, then some rain, and then a big drop in temperatures. At the same time that the temperatures drop, the winds pick up, so things will be blustery later today. With that, I'll send it back to you.
Elise, thank you.